There are many products available to choose. Nilight 16AWG 10009WNI WA05 LED light bar wiring harness kit, 2 leads 12V on-off switch review, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best Nilight 16AWG 10009WNI WA05 LED light bar wiring harness kit, 2 leads 12V on-off switch from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the reviews. The Nilight 16AWG 10009WNI WA05 LED light bar wiring harness kit is a practical solution for anyone looking to add auxiliary lighting to their vehicle. Designed for durability and ease of use, it's a popular choice among off-road enthusiasts and vehicle owners who value reliable electrical components. Below, we'll break down the key features, pros, cons, and who this product is best suited for. Key features: high-quality materials. The harness uses 16 AWG heavy-duty wires, ensuring efficient current flow and longevity. Premium copper wiring is wrapped in heat-resistant, durable insulation to withstand tough conditions. Dual output design supports 2 light bars or auxiliary lights, making it versatile for different setups. Includes 2 connectors for an easy and clean installation. 12V power supply with safety fuse. Designed for 12V applications with a 40A relay and built-in blade fuse for circuit protection. Provides a reliable and safe setup to prevent overheating or overloading. Convenient on-off switch. Comes with a user-friendly toggle switch, offering easy control over your lights. The switch is illuminated for visibility at night. Weatherproof design. Built to withstand rain, mud, and harsh environments, making it ideal for off-road adventures. Pros: easy installation. The pre-assembled kit simplifies the wiring process, even for beginners. Dual leads allows you to connect 2 light bars simultaneously. Affordable, budget-friendly without compromising on quality. Reliable build. Sturdy construction for long-term use in demanding conditions. Cons: limited voltage. Only supports 12V systems, not suitable for higher voltage applications. Basic switch design. While functional, the toggle switch may feel a bit basic compared to more premium options. Wire length may require extensions for larger vehicles like trucks or SUVs. Ideal uses: off-road vehicles, perfect for lighting up trails during nighttime adventures. Work vehicles, great for utility trucks, tractors, and other equipment that need auxiliary lighting. ATVs and boats. Its waterproof design makes it a solid option for ATVs and small boats. Verdict: the Nilight 16AWG 10009WNI WA05 LED light bar wiring harness kit is a dependable, user-friendly choice for anyone installing auxiliary lighting. Its durability, safety features, and